Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I would like to share the number of books that I bought for my sole proprietorship company. So I bought this book so that I would like to have some reference and sources to build up my company. So firstly, I believe in IKIGAI. So this is a book about Ikigai, the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. So what is Ikigai? So Ikigai means that you found your purpose in life. So it has a 4 branch. So what you love, what are you good at, what can you be paid for, and what the world needs. So firstly, what I love. So I love programming and computer graphic. And then what are you good at? So I'm good at writing code, programming, and I'm good at drawing, but I need to sharpen my skills a little bit because it has been a long time since I do all those things. And then what you can be paid for. So I'm currently a software engineer, and I also own my company for gaming. So this part I have completed. So what the world needs. So I believe that the world needs a good amount of people that utilize good resources to build up a reference to other people where he or she can have a good understanding of programming and computer graphic. So basically I love programming plus computer graphic equals to gaming. So I would like to utilize all these skills for my sole proprietorship company. So what I did is I bought several books that can help me to get into being bigger for my company. So firstly, we have Pantone color guide. So the reason I bought this book is because my weakness is color theory, so I'm weak in determining what color should I use for my post. So here is an example in the book where I can utilize any color for any theme or genre. So for example, this is for playful, this is for romantic, this is for mellow, this is the color combination, but the color combination mostly at the end of the pages. It's for unique. Next, we have a book by Mr. Ishra Nur Hazrik. So generate income using design skill, video design skill, and 3D. So this is the book about becoming a freelancer. So this is suitable for me to be for me to understand and generate income. So next, my main understanding of creating my sole proprietorship company is that I need to understand how to use Blender and Unreal Engine so that I can utilize it for game development. This is for game development. So firstly, we take a look at game theory. So we need to understand a game theory. This is just a very short introduction. So it teach all the mathematical theory for game. So this is good for someone who want to build up a game company. So this is a game theory, a short introduction by Ken Binmore. Next, so for game development, I would like for 3D assets. I would like to. So there's 2 things about me is I would like to create 2D, 3D animation using Blender. This is 2D animation. I would like to use the grease pencil, and I would like to develop a game using the assets from Blender and utilize and create the game using Godot or Unreal Engine. So I'm not quite sure which one I should use. So for 2D animation, we have the grease pencil. So this book teach how to use the grease pencil. So it has all the things about the keyframe and stuff. So this is from John M. Blaine. Next, we have the game development with Blender and Godot by Kumsal Obus. So here we have all the books, all the content that teach how to create the assets, then create the overview and view for Godot. So it teach how to use, let me show you the content. On contents, 3D asset blender, volumetric and shader. Then this is all the blender steps, rigging, and then it will import into Godot some assets. This is all preparing for creating the game. Lastly, this is for book for Unreal Engine, a beginner guide to lighting, fog, and visual storytelling. So this is basically all the tutorial guidebook to create the lighting, the fog, how to create a tranquility, for example, how to create a tranquility environment. So although I have all this book, I still apply, or I still join an online class for Blender to upskills for myself. But the most important thing is I am following my Ikigai. I am happy with my own life because I finally follow my Ikigai, the most thing that I have always wanted in my whole life. So thank you very much for supporting me. See you guys next time. Bye bye.